Magandang hapon po ng May 28, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng May 28, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, May 28, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 28, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates 29.5 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 17 million pesos for Tuesday, May 28, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for May 28, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.